What's up guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Brandon and I'm part of the programming team on Team ACES 14923, located in Clarksburg, Maryland. We're a 3-year experienced FTC team and we created this channel to educate beginning teams that are not quite familiar yet with building, coding, and everything else robotics. Today I'll be showing you how to install and navigate the Android Studio software for coding in Java. Android Studio is a very great software for teams that are familiar with Java or are interested in taking the next step up from blocks programming. The first thing you want to do is to go to the FTC Robot Controller GitHub as well as the Android Studio installation page. We've linked both of them in the description. Installing the Android Studio is very simple. Click on the download button and accept all agreements. If you have a Mac, you need to place the application into the application folder. Once you finish installation, you want to go to the FTC Robot Controller GitHub. Once you're there, press the down arrow on code and download the zip file. You want to make sure to install and place the file in a place you can remember and access easily. Now that you have everything downloaded, you need to expand the zip file. You can do this by right-clicking on the file and pressing open. Once you do that, you can navigate your way to the Android Studio app and click Import Project. Once it finishes loading, you can create a new code by going into the Team Code folder, Java, and then right-clicking and creating a new class. If you need a sample to get yourself started, click the FTC Robot Controller folder, then Java, and pick and choose one of the many external samples on the folder. Once you choose the sample option you want to copy, make a copy, and then paste it into your team code, and then you can edit it from there. Thank you guys for watching. We'll be making a follow-up video teaching you guys how to run codes through the software using your robot controller phone. Make sure to like this video if it helped you and hit subscribe. We will be making more FTC related content which include, but are not limited to, our build process, coding sensors, and using the built-in object detection software. Stay safe, wear a mask, and happy coding.